Toyota Estima ACR50 2010 to 2012 version. Okay, Aeras. Original is come with a 8-inch Toyota OEM player. It's come with a amplifier sound system. So you change aftermarket Android player, you have to add on a interface, special interface to connect your amplifier surround system. So this is power socket, original power socket. So original head unit, power socket. You have to change the aftermarket interface, power plug. Okay. Input interface. Okay. Same aux to connect Android player, aux audio output to interface audio input, aux input. Okay, another socket head. This one is connect to the long wiring to the amplifier, the plug-in. So the wiring will hidden inside. Connect to the underseat original power amp. This is the original. You have to remove, change to aftermarket interface. Power socket. This one have to plug in. This one no use anymore. Okay, now we connect Android player. A plug-in 16-pin power socket for Android big screen player, and an RCA interface socket. Start car. Music. So it's connected to our original speaker. Okay, interface to connect aftermarket Android player. Plug and play. This video sample for Estima ACR50 2010 to 2012 Aeras Estima. The same interface you can use to the Toyota Viewfinder or Outboard NS20 2008 2010 version. Installed by One Piece, video by Andy. Thank you.